second day, even better. We had the opportunity to really get into conversations, talking about opportunities, making plans and thinking about the future.
It's all these examples of corporates sharing with us their experience in cooperating with startups, and particularly all the effort they put in to making their corporation ready to be cultural ready to work with startups together.
Also what startups look for when it comes to co-creation, I think one of the main takeaways is really that you have to first identify what are you looking for to really understand what type of co-creation is right for you.
In live event, rather not only in virtual event, it was important to make the close contacts for the next steps and our next milestones that are coming.
It was really interesting to see on the one side new startups, new ideas, and of course other corporates which are having the same challenges as we do in the open innovation platform area. I think the exchange with all the professionals here, with all the experts in terms of innovation was the most interesting part, and I'm sure that we will discuss the future trends with other experts here from SFF in the near future.
Yes, Startup Future for sure. It's a model that is consolidated and validated. It can be adopted across departments and different faculties as well at the regional ecosystem.
Bringing the European idea together and bringing all the startups from different valleys together, and that is something that we need to cherish as size. We can co-create with this community. We need to tap into the creative potential of this community and move innovation in Europe forward.
If we want to be able to compete as a European continent, we really need to be able to collaborate with each other. Specifically important for the field of deep tech. I mean, within deep tech, no country in Europe will be the thought leader or innovation leader, but together if we collaborate, we will stand a chance to be the world leader.
And possibly to better connect our networks, our community of innovation with Start for Future.
So the Start for Future Summit is really a nice event. It's very interesting to see so many different stakeholders of the ecosystem, from startups, from academia, from corporates, to put the puzzle pieces together and to make things successful. The interdisciplinary perspectives are necessary. That's why I think it's a great format, and I'm really looking forward to the next session.
Today really showed the great potential and was super interesting to hear how different companies work with startups and the great solutions of the startups. So thank you very much for that day, and I'm hoping to see you next year.
Future starts from here. Thank you.